Hello, sweet Stampin' friends. Deborah Harrison here with Simply Sweetening Designs. And guys, I have a really fun sneak peek for you for the May 2024 Sweet Creations Club. It is going to be featuring the Simply Zinnia bundle to be able to make 5 projects. So I wanted to share with you the projects, tell you what you need in order to complete the projects as I have designed them, and also to how you can subscribe to my Sweet Creations Club. Now, if you're already part of my club, you're all set. You don't need to do anything. But if you are not and you would like to check it out, I will provide more information here at the end, towards the end here. So the projects will be 4 cards and a really cute little purse to put your cards in, and just really just beautiful projects with those zinnias. I love using these dies as well as some coloring. And then this one is a fun fold card, little double easel card here. And you will just put them inside your cute little purse right here. Now, just to let you know, the project kit will include the pre-cut cardstock pieces that you need to make the projects. You will need to provide your own bundle, either the Simply Zinnia bundle, or you use another bundle that you have that may be similar you can substitute with. Now, you also will need to use the bundle to cut out some cardstock pieces that I'll be providing for you. You also need to stamp. You're going to need some inks and some adhesives. Now, I did want to share with you in the samples that I'm showing you here today, you'll notice I am using this sheer glimmer ribbon. It's actually going to get swapped out. I'm going to use a new ribbon that's coming in May. That's a really pretty sheer striped ribbon. So just kind of keep that in the back of your mind, what that would look like with just a little bit different ribbon. Similar, but just a little bit different. Now, like I said, to be able to complete the projects as I have designed them, you do need that Simply Zinnia bundle, or you can substitute with a bundle that's similar that you have in your stash. You will also need some inks. Basically, you're going to need a Memento black ink pad and then several blends. So you're going to need some Melon Mambo blends, some Flirty Flamingo, Petal Pink, and we have Lemon Lime Twist, and then Daffodil Delight. However, if you don't have all those blends, don't worry about it. You can just select a couple of them to focus on. But one of the nice things is this paper has so many different colors in it that you can pull in those colors and make it your own. It doesn't have to be exactly like I designed them. Now, you will need some adhesives. The adhesives that I recommend are multi-purpose liquid glue or your favorite tape adhesive, as well as some glue dots and some dimensionals. Now, for the 3D project for the purse, you're probably going to want multi-purpose liquid glue or some tear and tape to be able to put that together so it doesn't fall apart on you. Now, if you're not familiar with my club, it is a monthly subscription creative kit that you can join with us and craft locally here in San Antonio, or you can have it shipped to you. The cost to have it shipped is $43 each month, and it does include about $24, depends each month, on some consumable Stampin' Up products, as well as those pre-cut cardstock pieces for you, and also an email to PDF tutorial. Also on your project kit, your cover sheet, you will have a link to your PDF tutorial, so you'll have it there right there with you. Now, one of the things in here, I am providing on one of the projects an embossed layer, and I will be doing that embossing for you for this particular card. However, if you would like to add this really beautiful Zinnia 3D embossing folder, you can add that as well. At the end of each month, I do send a list of suggested supplies to my club members so that they can add on anything that they may need to complete their projects. All right, guys, so the subscription period for the May Sweet Creations Club runs from now until May 5th of 2024. Now, just to let you know, my club is reaching capacity, so it could fill at any time. If it does, I will turn off that subscription link, but you can always reach out to me. Sometimes people will cancel club and I may have a spot open. So you can always reach out and check on that. All right, guys, reach out if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.